What's up, everybody? My name is Walter Hinchman. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Swolverine. Today, we're going to be talking about what are essential amino acids, otherwise known as EAAs, and how do they impact your training performance. So, what are EAAs, right? EAAs have become a popular sports nutrition supplement for athletes. Studies suggest that supplementing with EAAs can improve the muscle building process, reduce muscle mass breakdown, and enhancing athletic performance. But the question really is, do EAAs really work? How are they different than BCAAs? Are they complementary? Do you need to take both? So we're going to address those questions and many more. So first off, EAAs have definite special characteristics within your body and within human biology. Often referred to as the building blocks of protein, when protein is metabolized, it's broken down to its simplest form, which are amino acids. There are 20 common amino acids that play numerous roles within your human biology. Amino acids are, from a scientific standpoint, are an amino group composed with a carboxyl group, hence the name amino acid. Essential amino acids cannot be produced by your body. Therefore, it is essential, to obtain them from your diet, from foods in your diet, or from supplements. So that's why they're essential, because your body needs them from outside sources. So 9 of the 20 amino acids are categorized as essential. Each amino acid is separately or in combination responsible for various functions in your body. So tryptophan, for example, an amino acid that's commonly associated with Thanksgiving or with turkey, that's used to make niacin, melatonin, and serotonin, which promotes healthy sleep, positive mood state, while leucine, another essential amino acid, and also part of the branched chain amino acids, helps stimulate muscle anabolism or muscle protein synthesis, so building more muscle mass. So the real benefits of essential amino acids, a lot of great benefits, especially for athletes. We're going to talk about those. A large body of evidence shows that essential amino acids are very beneficial to physical performance, can improve strength, can help reduce muscle mass breakdown, inhibit muscle protein breakdown, so that you are increasing and enhancing the recovery process. So number one, we already hit, is it improves strength. So several studies have investigated the effects of amino acids, particularly the branched chain amino acids, and have shown that there is a positive effect on muscle protein synthesis. So with more muscle mass, you're going to increase your strength. A specific study conducted at the University of Arkansas investigated the effects of EAA supplementation in older adults on specifically their physical function and performance. The study found that after 12 weeks of EAA supplementation, physical performance, distance walked, was greater and significantly greater, and improved strength more so than not taking EAAs at all. So that's just one example. The other great benefit of EAAs is that it's going to help you reduce muscle mass soreness and inhibit the muscle mass breakdown, which is causing that soreness. In a randomized double placebo-controlled trial, 12 participants showed that they performed 100 consecutive drop jumps, and they examined the effects of those EAAs on recovery and markers of induced muscle damage. The results showed that the amino acids taken before and after the workout reduced exercise-induced muscle damage and accelerated muscle recovery times at different time variables taken at 24, 48, 72, and 96 hours post-workout. So a lot of good studies there showing that EAAs, essential amino acids, and the branched chain amino acids are really going to help you with your recovery process. The last thing here is that essential amino acids are going to help you with that muscle protein synthesis, increasing anabolism. Therefore, they will help you build muscle mass. Protein itself, the reason why we're supplementing with protein, like a protein shake after your workout, is to derive the amino acids. So supplementation with essential amino acids can definitely help inhibit muscle mass breakdown and increase and have a positive balance of muscle protein or anabolism, right? So increasing your muscle protein synthesis. So an interesting study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, actually conducted at the University of Texas, go Longhorns, investigated whether supplementation with EAS or EAAs versus a balanced amino acids could treat muscle loss in an elderly population and replenish amino acid levels with a reduction in overall food intake. The results concluded that essential amino acids were primarily responsible for amino acid stimulation and for muscle protein anabolism. So really, when it gets down to it, essential amino acids are really going to help your performance. They're going to help delay that muscle fatigue, especially when you are doing multiple workouts. If you're doing CrossFit, if you're doing an endurance race, You really need those essential amino acids to replenish your body and provide more muscle fuel. But a common question is, which one should you supplement with? Should you supplement with BCAAs or EAAs? And that's a really tough question, right? So the research thus far suggesting the differences between EAAs versus BCAAs on performance is really conflictory. And so both EAAs and BCAAs have been shown to increase muscle mass by stimulating muscle protein synthesis, and both support muscle recovery. Supplementation really depends on your dietary lifestyle choices and your nutrition. Some studies suggest that supplementing with essential amino acids will stimulate muscle protein synthesis more so than BCAAs alone, while other studies are suggesting that EAAs may inhibit energy levels while BCAAs do not inhibit energy levels. Therefore, more evidence really is needed on human clinical trials, and more human clinical trials need to be conducted to investigate the ergogenic or performance benefits of both EAAs and EAs versus each other. They also need to be conducted in a manner that is taking protein ingestion into consideration, considering that protein is composed of essential amino acids and branched chain amino acids. So really depending on your dietary lifestyle, if you don't consume a adequate or healthy amount of protein in your diet, then you should definitely consider supplementing with EAs or BCAAs. Either one will help you replenish so that you increase in that muscle protein synthesis and build more muscle mass. If you have any other questions, if you want to conduct any more research for yourself, hit the blog at swoleverine.com. We have everything on fitness, health, wellness, nutrition, supplementation. You will find it there. Make sure you subscribe to this channel on our YouTube. And until next time, guys.